The main indicator of the video are resolution and frequency. Option A. True. Option B. False. The correct answer is option A. Integrate H video conferencing system and SIP system need. Option A. GW. Option B. GK. Option C. MCU. Option D. Terminal. The correct answer is option A. Conference access number identify, conference convened. Option A. Mrs. Option B. MCU. Option C. GK. Option D. GPU. The correct answer is option B. In the IP network, video conference call signaling protocol is the application layer. A. Option H. 320. Option B. Option H. 322C. Option H. 323. Option D. Option H. 235. The correct answer is option C.